Alright, I'm going to film this now, and I'll release both the haul video and this unboxing. So we're unboxing the Death and Return of Superman Blu-ray set. The box. Take the plastic off. I said this in my haul video. What sold me on this is it says Superman Doomsday Blu-ray, so that's why I wanted to pick it up. So that down. Take out the little steel Superman figure there. I also have a Harley Quinn one, Joker one, and John Constantine. So this will go with them, wherever they are right now. Yeah. Death and Return of Superman. There. Of course. Team digital code. Do I get one for Superman? No, I don't. Just the Death and Return of Superman. So we have Death and Return of Superman, Blu-ray, DVD, which I wish that was the one that fell out. So wait, it's one thing? I thought it was going to have both the Death of Superman and Rise of the Reign of the Supermen. But it looks like it's just in one film? Interesting. And then you got the Superman Doomsday Blu-ray on it. Yeah. Yeah. That's cool. It is. Yeah, there's the Blu-ray for Death and Return of Superman. It's a DVD. And then there's the Superman. So yeah. Interesting. Can I peel this? One seamless epic film. You just come off. Come off. No! There. I hate it when it doesn't come off clean. So there it is. Now it's off. This is cool. Add to my DC animated films collection. There are other ones there. Batman Hush. I want to pick up. There's a Superman Throne of Atlantis. Or Justice League Throne of Atlantis, I should say. Other ones I want to pick up. Eventually I will. But yeah. I saw this and I had to get the Blu-ray of Superman Doomsday, which I needed a review for. So yeah, so with that, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I've been Scotty. See you in the next one.